Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Skylar with Western Material Handling. Today we're here in sunny Colorado, excited to test drive stock number D21213C. Awesome operating 2001 Mitsubishi FGC30K. It's a 6,000 pound cushion tire forklift. This unit does have treaded cushion tires, really good for the nice snowy rainy days we get here. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast, will go 200 inches and 216 inches, excuse me. Does have side shifts, load backrest, and 42-inch pallet forks. As you can see, very tall. Good running Mitsubishi LP gas engine, automatic transmission, it's lights, fully operable, new PM service with recent repairs, brand new paint job, ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Commerce City or Fort Collins or Torrington, Wyoming. We appreciate you for watching. Thank you.